That son of a bitch bar hasn't been open all... Well, we've been here like a day and a half. But it hasn't been open for like a day and a half. Because of the coronavirus. And now they just shut everything the fuck down. And then this bitch opens up. Because probably they're just trying to sell some beer before. It is. It's Daytona Beach 2020. Spring break. They just shut down America's most famous beach. I don't give a fucking fuck, but it's fucking crazy. What is going on? Oh, look at all the people. What's that? How you doing? Yeah, oh no, they volleyball, don't know. Fuck, who cares about volleyball? Play dodgeball like a fucking man. Daytona Beach Pier, shut down. Just like a hurricane, but with AIDS. This is just like a hurricane with AIDS. Coronavirus. Who cares? Hey. Deuces.